Hey Sharoon, you told me your best friend is really cute, right?
Oh yeah, she's so beautiful.
Cool. So when are you going to introduce me?
No, never.
Why not?
I don't trust you, Jake.
Man, okay, so what about this? Let's play some games and if I win, you introduce me.
Deal.
Okay, do it. So much money for today. We're gonna play a lot. Alright, 420. Let's see what you got. Nice. Let's see again.
Ready?
Alright, we won the first round. Guys, do you know Jeremy Lin? Here's Jake Lin. Let's see.
I'm gonna beat you, Jake.
So now let's see who's the stronger dude here. Who's the real man? Tell me what you got. Think of someone you hate. Someone you hate here.
I hate you.
Okay. But work better.
It hurts.
Sharoon. This is mine. It's like I won. Who won the World Cup this year? Alright, I want to meet your best friend, come on! Have Super Mario Kart back in the 90s. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can see you soon. Hello, Sharon. You have one lap. Yeah. In your face.
You win.
So I won. You're going to introduce me your best friend, right?
No,
Why? Well, you promised me.
I don't trust you, Jake.
Come on, you said it.
No, it's not happening. It's not happening. I don't trust you, Jake. You're an ass. Oh shit! Oh.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So thank you again, Sharoon, for collaborating. You're always amazing.
It's always fun to come in.
Yeah, so come in. You can play a lot of games, and it's really fun.
Yeah.
So please subscribe to the channel, The Korean Dream, Sharoona, and we will make some other videos really soon. Okay, take care, guys.
Guys.
안녕.